So this is Euro Pound analysis for Monday the 18th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might possibly go. So we're saying for a couple of weeks now that the Euro Pound is in a bit of a range, upper end of the range being around that 88.50, lower end of the range being around that 87.83. Now, on a few occasions we have broken out of the range, but we've not seen further continuation. Instead, what we have seen is reversals back into the trading range. So what we did see, we did have a breakdown of prices. We went into this consolidation from last video. I think I was saying, bear with me a second, sorry if the mic's just messed up. From the last video I was saying that potentially if we could hold this level, we could see a move to the upside. We'll see our price reaction was 87.83 and possibly around 88.50. Now, we did hold this in around this 87.60. We didn't quite retrace down to 87.50, which is the area of interest that we are looking for. And we did see this break back into trading range above this 87.83 and a move all the way up to this 88.51. Now, up at 88.51, I think we traded as high as 88.60 or so. Up to the 88.51, we've seen some weakness, and we've had this further brief little sell-off here. Now, the candles are pretty small in relation to the candles over here to your left, so we might see simply a retracement before we go on to retest at 88.50, a break from which we're looking for 88.74, and let's bear with me a second here. Beyond, yeah, we're looking at 88.74. Beyond 88.74, we're looking at 89.14. Now, again, if we did break down from where we are at present, we are looking to see our price reaction was at 87.83. A break below which we're looking for 87.05, and a break below that we're looking for 87. I would anticipate 87 being the far end of the range. At a push, we could be looking at 86.63, but I think 87 should be there, possibly the far end of the range on the Euro Pound. Now let's have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here. Let's just get scaling correct. So as you can see here on the daily chart of the Euro Pound, we've got the upper end of the range being around that 90.24. And we've got the lower end of the range being in around at 87. Where is it? 87.83. So again, we've gone into this very tight range of consolidation. Just below the 87.83. Below the 87.83, sorry. So we wait to see more volatility come into the market for potentially for a break above this 88.51. And we've mentioned all the levels above us that we are looking at. So the only other level that we did mention on the hourly time frame possibly is being around that 89.45. And again, if we did break down, we were looking at 87 to be the far end of possibly the range. And now with that said, that should wrap up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.